Absolutely. You can become a millionaire by investing in stocks. But let me pump the brakes for a second, because it's not as easy as dropping a hot stock pick into your Robinhood account and waiting for the cash to overflow. First, the reality check. Becoming a millionaire through the stock market isn't going to happen overnight, unless you are extremely lucky, which isn't a strategy at all. It's gambling. Now, I'm a Portland guy, and in the spirit of slow and steady progress, akin to how our city's bicycle lanes have gradually taken over the streets, growing your wealth in the stock market is typically about consistency, patience, and yes, a little bit of courage. Think about it this way. You want to make $1 million? Great. Start by saving diligently. Those savings are your seeds. Every paycheck, you're sprinkling a bunch more into your investment garden. The soil? It's a diversified portfolio. You'll also need to bear with the seasons. Market crashes, corrections, and recessions will come and go. These are the storms. But if your seeds are well planted, they'll weather it. Compound interest is your best friend in this journey. It's the sun and rain to your garden. Over time, the interest on your investments earns interest of its own, and this growth compounds spectacularly. The power players in your portfolio are the stocks of solid, well-run companies. Big names that come to mind are like the majestic conifers in our Oregon forests. They've been around and will likely continue to grow, slow and steady. But don't be fooled. Even the mightiest Oregon pine started as a humble seedling. Now, for the average Joe, stocking up on well-chosen index funds and ETFs might be the more prudent play. These are like the fertile Willamette Valley soil, diverse and full of life. But let's not forget about those meaty tech stocks which can sometimes grow like wildfire. Beware though, because wildfires can also be destructive. The key is to start as early as you can because time is the gardener's best ally. Regularly invest, diversify your portfolio, reinvest dividends, and don't get spooked by market volatility. Naturally, for every success story, many more are licking their wounds. And remember, Uncle Sam wants his cut too, so think about tax-efficient ways to invest. Ultimately, seeing that seven-figure portfolio balance is a result of consistent contributions, sound investment choices, and the pleasure of time's passage. Becoming a stock market millionaire isn't a myth, but it's definitely not a guarantee. And hey, if you're in Portland, grab your raincoat and get to it. Our weather might be unpredictable, but your investment strategy shouldn't be. Stay steady, stay focused, and grow that green.